Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon zest for cocktails. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a fresh, unblemished lemon, ideally organic, to ensure the best flavor and aroma. For fine zest, a microplane or a fine grater is perfect. If you prefer elegant, long strips for garnishes, a channel knife will be your go-to. Having the right tools makes all the difference in achieving professional-looking and tasting results for your drinks. Now, let's tackle the microplane technique. Hold your microplane firmly and gently rub the lemon across its surface. The key is to apply light pressure and rotate the lemon frequently. This ensures you only remove the bright yellow outer layer, avoiding the bitter white pith underneath. Continue until you have enough fragrant zest. This method yields a fine, fluffy zest, perfect for infusing flavor directly into your cocktails. For those beautiful, long twists of zest, the channel knife is your friend. Press the knife firmly into the lemon's skin, then pull it around the fruit to create a continuous, elegant strip. Be careful not to dig too deep and include the pith. Once you have your strip, give it a gentle twist directly over your cocktail. This action expresses the lemon's essential oils, adding a burst of fresh aroma and flavor to your drink. Finally, let's talk about storing your fresh zest and some important tips. If you have extra, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer preservation, you can freeze it in a small, sealed bag for several weeks. Remember, always wash your lemon thoroughly before you begin zesting to remove any waxes or residues. Enjoy adding that vibrant citrus punch to all your favorite cocktails.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.